Hello.
You came back.
Yeah, I'm coming back really quickly just so I can get a good vantage point of the storm.
It's awesome. I just got it already cracked.
Aaron just got. What was that? Look at that. You can see the. Wow, that is the definition of a storm right there. What's your name for the record?
Me?
Yes, you.
He said Cooper.
This is Cooper coming at us from Disney all the way from Texas, and he's probably seen much worse of what this is. Yeah, I was about to say. Well, I gotta go. See you later, friend. Man, that is getting close. Oh man, look at, you can see the clouds moving. Yeah, I know.
Let's keep going.
What's up, man? Look good. We'll keep you updated if anything happens. Man, I wonder if we're getting a warning. Is there a warning?
Thunderstorm warning.
I will. Okay.
PM Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Indian Harbor Beach or over Satellite Beach, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Cocoa Beach, Satellite Beach, and Cape Canaveral. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The weather roundup at 7 p.m. At the Orlando International Airport.
That's crazy. Let's go. We got our first game. Wow. Oh, really? Oh, crap, the sun is... Oh, no, the sun just went behind it. Holy frick. Holy hell. Dude. This is one crazy view. And the pool even has a nice slide. This is one of the coolest places I've ever eaten, with the coolest like sunset I've ever seen. This is absolutely insane. Oh my god. Okay, I need to get back inside and actually eat.